Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Python project, we are building a classic game, rock, paper, scissors, where you challenge the computer in a battle of logic and luck. So let's get started. We'll first import random, then let's create our options. So I'll declare a variable. Let's keep the options here, rock, paper, and scissors. Now we have to take user and computer choice. So let's first take user choice. And let's take the input from user. Let's give a message. Choose rock, paper, or scissors, and let's convert it to lowercase. So even if the user enters in upper or lowercase, it shouldn't matter. Now let's take the variable for computer choice. So now we'll use the choice method of random module. So I'll take random.choice and we'll insert the options here. Now let's quickly print a statement and see if this random choice function is working or not. So I'll just print the computer choice. Let's run this. I'll comment this line, save and run. So here if I keep on running, we'll see different options. So this is working. Now let's get back to the code. Let me quickly put comments here. So this was step 1, import model and set choices. This was step 2, get user and computer choice. Now we'll do step 3, which is check for winner. So we would have to mention the condition and then decide the output. So we'll start writing the if condition. So if user choice is equals to computer choice, then we'll print a message as it's a tie. And then under elif condition, now here we have to combine the conditions, right? So that is why we'll put parenthesis and user choice. If user choice is rock and computer choice is scissors, then you win. But then there are other conditions. So let's put or as well. So if user choice is paper and computer choice is rock, then also you win. But then there is one more condition. If user chooses scissors and if computer chooses paper, then also you win. So under this block, we'll print you win. And if none of this is true, then of course you lose. So in the else block, we'll print you lose. So this is ready. Now let's go ahead and run this now. Before that, let's just also make it a bit more obvious. And here also, I'll just computer choice and then now we'll go ahead and run this. So if I choose rock, computer chose rock as well, so it's a tie. We have not included the replay loop, right? So I would have to run this again. Let's choose paper this time and computer choose paper as well, so it's a tie again. Let me run this again. This time we'll take scissors and computer choose paper. So this time you win. So let's go ahead and do few more things here. So first we'll wrap this up in a function and then we will also add the replay loop. So I'll go ahead and wrap this up in a function first. Let's declare a function and I'll call this function as play game. I'll select everything and do a tab and this is fine now. Now let's go ahead and add the replay function. So I'll declare another function and let's call this as main function. Here we'll take a variable for user to enter yes or no if they want to play the game again or not. Now let's set the condition if user chooses yes. So we'll run a loop. So while play game is yes, we'll keep on calling the other function play game and we'll also take the input from the user. So play game and then here input and let's give a message play again and question mark. Let's give the option as well yes or no and then we'll convert this as well to lowercase and then let's just call the main function. And there's a mistake here, there has to be a colon here because we are starting the while block over there and I will put one space here and here as well. Now it's fine. Now I'll go ahead and run this. I'm getting an error for this play game, so I think that's because of the variable name, because the function name is play game and here I've also given the variable name as play game, so I'll rename it to play again. Let's just copy this and change it. And this is the function and this should be fine now. So I'll go ahead and rerun this. Alright, so let's choose some option. I'll choose rock and computer chose scissors. So we got the message as you win. Now we are seeing this option play again, right? So if I keep it yes, then we can play again. Now let's choose paper. Alright, now if I choose no, it should exit. Alright, so this was a simple rock, paper and scissors game. Now if you want to try something on your own, you can track how many times the player wins versus the computer. So that's it for now and I'll see you in the next one.